Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you some ideas of what to do with those old baggy shirts that you have probably still hanging in your closet or in the back of your drawer, or you just don't know what to do with them.
Ew.
Personally for me, I like to hold on to those shirts because you can make something that you actually want to wear, and it's very unique and nobody will have the same style as you do. So I'm going to show you some things of what to do with those shirts. So first I'm going to show you this tank top I made. And it wasn't always a tank top. It was one of those type of shirts that had like the angel flap wings. I can't really explain it, but it wasn't really flattering. So I decided to just chop off the sleeves, and it made this really springy, lacy top. I'm in color guard, and even people might say that color guard's not a sport, but we work hard, and I love to wear my workout shirt, especially during the summer. It's super breezy, and I love how like the backing, it's cut off and it's really airy and breezy. And I don't know if you could tell, but I tried to do a bow out of some scraps, and it came out really cute. I really like the way it came out, and the fact that it has like Buck Pride, little school spirit. My friend kept telling me to do this tie knot shirt. It's been really popular, and I finally did it, and it's really cute, and it's perfect because people keep trying to buy this in the stores and they're really expensive, and I'm like, nope, I can make that. And also, I made a cut-off crop top. This shirt was like my favorite thing to wear during the summer, and I finally cut it off. And it's perfect thing to wear. It's like really breezy and really comfortable. And I also, like with t-shirt scraps that I've made, I was able to make a really cute headband. The shirt had like stripes on it, and it looks really cute. I love the color combination. And it doesn't have to be stripes. It can be like anything, any scraps that you have around the house, from your t-shirts that you made, and it's really easy to do. And I also made these really cute bracelets out of the scraps. I don't know if you can tell. One of them's like, this one's fishtailed, and then this one's braided, and I really like the way they came out. They're really springy, and then they're unique, and I really like to wear them now. And so yeah, those are the things I've made. And I also made a t-shirt bag, which you can see in the last video. So I hope this video has helped, and if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns about the video, I would love to hear them. Put them in the comment box below. And if you have any ideas for future tutorials or anything you'd like to see in the future, I'd be happy to hear them and take them into consideration for future videos. So that's it. Bye!